In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and apply a discount in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're running a promotion or rewarding loyal customers, applying discounts can be a great way to boost sales and keep your customers happy. So let's dive in. First things first, we'll need to log in to QuickBooks Online. To do this, open your preferred web browser, perhaps Google Chrome, and navigate to quickbooks.intuit.com. Once there, enter your login credentials to sign into your account. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to manage your QuickBooks settings, as we'll be making some changes today. Now that you're logged in, let's create a discount item. Start by clicking the gear icon, which you'll find in the top right corner of your screen. Once the menu appears, look under the list section and choose products and services. Next, at the top right, you'll see a button labeled New. Click on that. When prompted to select a type, choose Discount. This will allow us to set up the discount that you can apply to your invoices and sales receipts. Setting up the discount itself is straightforward. You'll want to enter a name for the discount. Something like Customer Discount works well, but feel free to name it as you see fit. Next, decide if this discount will be a percentage or a fixed amount. This will be important when applying it later. If you'd like, you can also add a description to remind yourself or others about what this discount is for. Once you've filled out these fields, don't forget to save your new discount item. Now that the discount is set up, we'll look at how to apply it to an invoice or a sales receipt. Begin by navigating to the plus new button, which you'll find either at the top left or right of your screen. From the drop-down menu, choose either invoice or sales receipt, depending on what you're working with. Add the products or services that you're selling to this document. Then, on a new line within the invoice or sales receipt, select your discount item from the list. Enter the discount amount or percentage, depending on how you set it up earlier. You'll notice that the discount will automatically reduce the total amount for you, making the process nice and straightforward. Finally, before you wrap things up, it's crucial to review the invoice or receipt to make sure the discount is applied as expected. Check that the total reflects the discount and nothing looks out of place. Once you're satisfied, you can click Save and Send if you're ready to email it to your customer, or choose Save and Close if you'd like to finalize it without sending immediately. And that's it. You've successfully set up and applied a discount in QuickBooks Online. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to manage your discounts wisely to maintain a healthy business cash flow.